Greetings, Commanders. This is Jason Cash from Pffft, Moose and Eagle. Today we're going to talk about fleet commanders. They are super important. Think about them as like a research that you can turn on and off. There are all the gold items that we'll see in the skill tree. Those are always on, so always try to upgrade those. Whoever's seated in the far left is going to be considered the first seat. We have 3 commanders that have got first seat abilities. There's Lorca, and he's got Lorca's Fist. And that basically gives you a big bonus that you can use against armadas, hostiles, so on and so forth, or any of those special hostiles you got to do. It does have a 5-hour cool off, so make sure to use it sparingly and really when you need to use it. But you can see look how huge that gets. That's a huge bonus. So let's see what we're going to go over next. Is his, I believe, hostiles. I always have this when I'm doing hostiles. So on the far right, non-armada hostiles, 1,500% bonus, okay? And then we've got another 800 when it comes to stats. So that's another huge bonus. Now we've got, in the middle, you can see other armadas. And on the left-hand middle, you can see also 4 armadas, base weapon damage, 1,000% bonus. Now you can see what I'm clicking on, there'll be a brief flash in each spot. Now we're showing the PvP abilities. So again, it's on the right part of the screen, left part of the screen. You can see where you have to kind of toggle between those. Cost efficiency for artifact shards, that's 20%, nothing to sneeze at. Definitely worth upgrading. And of course, impulse speed, nice. So the newest 4, I'd say, give you the biggest bonuses. There's been a lot of power creep in the game, so like Spock and Kirk, Sloan, so on and so forth, aren't as important, but still they do give you added bonuses, so I'd definitely not slack off on them. So Khan's active ability is, I think it shows up more frequently, but his single-use ability is for PvP, so that does give you a lot of good help. And I've got Mindset for Explorers right now, so for my Enterprise. He's also got, let me see. He gives you isolytic bonuses in Arena, but that's very helpful. Apex, again, you've got to select between those. But he does help also. There's some of his abilities that help just regular for fighting hostiles, so again, nothing to sneeze at. Let's see, round start. I had to record this earlier, guys. Now I'm adding the voice. So, yes, here we go. We've got Janeway now. She doesn't have an active ability, but she is the Armada Queen. So right now I've got it set on solo, and that does work with the new Borg Conquest solos. So for solo Armadas, those are some pretty good bonuses. Look at that, 100% critical damage. We've got it for the regular Armadas. That does work for all Armadas. Far right, you've got the different formation armadas. Oh, right now I was clicking on, there's also Q Trial. It does help you out with those too. There we go. Yeah, that's for the formation armadas. She's amazing. I think right now we're going to go to the OG of Admiral Kirk, highly recommended. Again, some of his abilities aren't as big, but look at that. Warp range 15%. Oh yeah, you want that, so max that. The rest of those, you can always save any of the upgrades for the older fleet commanders for those dailies that kind of get you points towards the monthly officer pool. So that's kind of when I upgrade those. Let's see, I think we're going to go into Spock now. Not all of it's super helpful, but every last bit helps. I mean, there's 175 bonus for officer health, and you can go between that and the others. And so how do you help get them stronger? Well, you got to keep doing those Borg Armadas, okay? So I can't do uncommon or epic pulls now, but here's the rare. You see I've got the uncommon and the rare ability stuff and the XP that you need to upgrade them. The epic also gives you the ability to finish those officers off or the fleet commanders off into the epic upgrades. So keep up with that. And as you build them up with the XP, you'll get some common loot to be able to make them stronger. So that's the command center there. That's the refinery. Now you can also, if you click 500 of those, that'll also do the daily common, the daily events that get you extra points. So anyways, guys, remember the gold ones always work for anything. So keep up with it. Live long and prosper. If you have any questions, just shoot me up. All right. Catch you later. Live long and prosper.